Most often than not, so many people actually love 3D in Mozabook, and we all love to use it in our classroom to teach, most especially abstract topics, which can actually bring it into existence. But most often, we are hindered by the fact that there is low internet or the connectivity is not good most often. But is there a solution? Anyway, today we are going to be looking at how you can actually make those 3D contents available offline for your classroom use. If you open your Mozabook, the odd is that you're going to be on this page. And this is the Mozabook Getting Started page. If you want to download any content which is in 3D, you have to search for the publication that contains that 3D content. To go about that, just hover to your right hand side. And most often, the publications that contain the MS95 series have this 3D content in them. And recently, some of them that contains the 96 series. Okay, I will just search MS-95, and you have arrays of publications that contains 3D materials that you can use in your classroom. And when you look at the side, you have the download icon that is there to showcase that you can actually download them. So let's just take one of them. Let's say this biology animal publication. And then when it opens up, you have the download with online extras. And you also have another version, which is download with offline extras. And it's not only this 95 series actually that contains offline contents. Also, we have another series, which is MS-64. And if you look at this, we've already downloaded a publication, which is Animals of the Past. And you can see that the icon is different from the others on the screen. Okay, but we are going with this MS-95 series. The first thing we want to do is to download the version with online extras, because it's possible most often that you have this version that has the online extras. So by going from the online extra version, you will be able to see how you can transit into the version that is for offline viewing. And from here, you can see that it is faster to download the online version because it is just a small size publication. And once this is opened, we can see what we can do and take it from here to get the offline version. Most of you that has this online version, you can be able to find your way into getting into the offline extras. For us to proceed from here, we already have the online version ready, and you can see it contains 94 online extras and 17 pages. And we can see more information by clicking on the I. That's the information button there, and we can see the same information online package, just 17 megabytes. And how do you go about making the offline version to be ready for you? All you need to do is to click on Open Publication, go to the settings icon on the taskbar, tap on it, then go to General icon on the settings, and then you have this settings page that is open for you. Go down to where you have the offline mode and tap on it, and then you have some of the offline packages that are already downloaded on your system. So by scrolling up, you can locate other books or publications that have this offline version. The one we are in currently is the MS9501 Biology Animals. For us to download it, all I just need to do under the offline 3D catalog books to tap on the checkbox, and then you can see the download will start. So we now have to wait until this download is finished. Now we are back. The offline catalog book is downloaded, And now we should be able to actually view our publication now in offline mode. As you can see, the biology animals is now green, which means it is ready. And just ensure that this button is set to on. The Open 3Ds from offline package is set to on for you to access this. For us to confirm what we have done, I'll just close this and then I'll go out of Mozabook. We'll say quit Mozabook. And then one thing I want to ensure is that we'll turn off the source of internet now and then we'll relaunch Mozabook. So in this way, we know that the internet is off. We can open our publication now and we can actually open any of the 3D contents. And you see that it's open blazing fast. So any of the 3D contents that are contained inside this publication can easily be opened now without the internet, and you can move it around and access it. So this is one of the 3 ways in which we can actually access 3D contents from our publications offline. In the next video, we'll be looking at another way to actually access some of our 3D contents without the internet. Thank you.